AIDONIA saying in a dancehall a few much years. 20 years. MASICKA find bigger songs than AIDONIA.
May I represent for one MEDIAFACTS.
MEDIAFACTS, MEDIAFACTS. How the latest news them lock. MEDIAFACTS, MEDIAFACTS. Trending, nah stop. MEDIAFACTS, MEDIAFACTS. How the latest report them.
People are going, you don't know MEDIAFACTS now. Yeah man, big up everybody, you don't know the things that. Yeah man, people, I see something going on in media with, you know, MASICKA versus AIDONIA, one bag of thing, and you see me? I don't know how the man them I try to compare and AIDONIA with MASICKA thing. You see what I try to say, cause some man talk about MASICKA have bigger song than AIDONIA and this and Ray and Tay, and I mean at 20, I mean a game for 20 years and all of them look something there, you understand? And when I preach, I say, bro, when them talk about numbers and this, that and Ray, I say, bro, that is the thing with Uno, you know. You see the bag of numbers thing, we are fool, you know. You understand? Uno now is like Uno now realize the numbers is there, but the people them not there are pull up at the show and all of these things. You understand? So some of the time, Uno talk something.
Subscribe now.
And not even know when really talk. Uno now check the stats.
Subscribe.
You understand?
No.
Because Uno can't say yo MASICKA big and Donia Ray, but when you look, Donia have him arena sold out. You understand? And we realize Uno always put people where more in the social media where they more talk about. If you try belittle a man, we are do it for years. You understand? Because you know MASICKA in the media, them, you know him sign and all of them look something there. You understand? Them kind of try put him up against AIDONIA and try a little up AIDONIA thing. You see me? But whenever you see MASICKA do no arena with him a headline himself yet. So it show you say, yo, them money think different. Cause you pre-numbers and all of them thing they can fabricate, brother. When stop pre-YouTube thing. You understand? Because when people for pull up on the shows on a headline or on a one show or whatever, nobody now did it. You understand? Cause I see MASICKA do a show. Don't a man go be. I think Aiken did dip on it too. About less than, we can say about less than 200 people pull up at a party. You understand? Look on that clip here. You don't see it, people. And this are the thing. They might try to prep up MASICKA and all of them look something there and know say, brother, him not reach to that level there yet. You understand? Now make the little Jamaican play a hype up thing fool on the brother. You understand? Because it don't make no sense. Imagine a man dip on a show. See him one of the headliner. And when him go there and this a crowd that pull up, bro. You understand? When an artist put up on a flyer, brother, certain levels of artists put up on a flyer, them a crowd and now come out, brother. And this ain't a man think of be a Jamaica. You understand? Me know if AIDONIA
Subscribe now.
put up himself on a flyer, them amount of people are now forward out.
Subscribe no.
You understand? Them now forward out. Like this, brother. A joke thing this. So when they prep up a man, prep up MASICKA and all of them look something there, brother. You don't reach to that level there yet. You understand? AIDONIA have enough it song. You see what I try to say? I choose the brother do him own thing and all of them look something there. You see me? You must say crossover song and Ray. I don't have some girl song that way hit big. We mash up a place, mash up any genre, carnival, anything. MASICKA don't really have no woman song. You understand? MASICKA no dominate woman song them. You see me? He no really dominate woman song like that. So when we see certain levels and all of these things, I say yo, them money we attack, no make no sense, brother.
AIDONIA still not find it. Me can tell you say MASICKA have bigger songs than AIDONIA. AIDONIA saying in a dancehall a few much years. 20 years. MASICKA find bigger songs than AIDONIA.
You think so?
You see me? When really not make no sense. Cause when I try belittle Donia thing, you see me? And you can see say yo, the brother where they are host, the Rasta brother where they are host on the video with him. You understand? Him know the thing. But I know with that brother I think he must name Chris Genius. I know one bag of trash the man attack, brother. You understand? Cause you can't level up MASICKA to AIDONIA thing, brother. When you stop fooling yourself, dog, and talk about this numbers thing. Cause this is show you how MASICKA go. With them time him have couple hits and array and them people are forward out to see him. A joke thing this. And them not highlight them something, you know, people. Them hide them thing, you know. Them hide them thing, brother. You understand? Look there, look on this. Look how much people forward out. A joke thing. Yes, people. So man them a try the little Idonia thing. And I try to prep up Massicka and know say, bro, Massicka not reach on them level there. Brother, Massicka sign. And I know him can't get that big song there over there, brother. Man signed to an international label and only if you know say the man a market in Jamaica to rot it. Zine, right now, people that more prefer the white song we have than the They Don't Know, which is his biggest solo song. Shensi have to come and give him biggest song, which is a collab. I remember say that the song there a solo song where Shensi are doing now. Shensi will go up on all stage and all and sing his song solo what she make. You understand? But at the end of the day, bro, some man pre some numbers thing, bro. Numbers, them thing they will fool you, brother. You understand? Numbers thing will fool you. You see it? Because no matter what, yeah, Massicka might have numbers over Donia, but look at Donia sold out arena, brother. With theme headline thing. You understand? You know see Massicka do that, bro. You see me? I don't did all the Barclays, brother. When you can pre numbers and I say, yo, this artist are big and rare. Come on, bro. Come on. Massicka not dominate the place like how Idonia do it, brother. You see me? Idonia do just go through a little thing. And the man just give music a little break, dog. You see me? You know when man's son drop out and, you see me?
Subscribe now.
Man does a whole of meditation, man does still put out in music. But when Idonia drop him song them, he mash up the place. You see me? Massicka drop him song them, you get a little hot song them and then boom. After that I just eat that. You understand? So, when I use certain thing for purpose, man, bro. You see it? I think Massicka got the palm must see Summer Jam. You don't know them I use that for promoting thing. You see me? It's just a little promotional thing that. You see me? And I'm not going book for. You see it? Yeah, man. So my time when I talk, dog, nah, make no sense, brother. You see me?
Number stock.
But besides EXO collaboration, Zine?
Regardless of collaboration, I still him on them songs.
But EXO collaboration, though. EXO collaboration, Zine. What Massicka biggest song?
They don't know.
Eh?
They don't know.
They don't know Massicka biggest song?
Yeah. And that bigger I don't know biggest song.
Nah, make no sense. I cannot try prep up Massicka and I try build it to Idonia, bro. Idonia think they're on a different level than from Massicka, brother. You see me? We see that over the years. You see me? Yeah. A facts that. You see it? Every little conversation we bring up, bro. Massicka not even in the thing, bro. You see me? Cause Massicka don't even have a good woman, female catalog, brother. You see me? If you have a female catalog, brother, I must say gangster thing on them something there, brother. You see me? If you have nothing. And we see it. You see me? Man have no girl song like that, bro. That I don't want to mash up the place, bro. You see me? With girl song, brother. You can't go around that, but Massicka cannot do that, bro. You understand? So you cannot talk them things there, brother. Yeah, man. You cannot talk about views, bro. Zine car. Yeah. With Idonia drop like about 7 years ago, I think. Them time, the brother. Social media never so powerful and attraction back them time they never so powerful like now, bro. And first of all,
Subscribe now.
Massicka starts some big numbers now. You understand? When label sign and all them thing, the brother. You understand? They market him. You see me? Him more marketable than Idonia, brother. But not same impactful more than Idonia. You understand? Whereas Idonia very lyrically. You must say back in the day, they usually say, yo, Massicka take film style and one bag of thing. You understand? Certain little thing a fool, you know, with the Massicka. And that's the thing with Uni, you know. You see? Social media trick no for them people, you know. From the reality, you know. You understand? And them now look on the advantage and the disadvantage of the music. And the demand and all of these things. You understand? Because true Massicka get numbers now means that, yo, he bigger than Idonia and all of them things, bro. Not chat shit, bro. Not chat shit. You see me? See where the Idonia sold out UBS. See? We don't see Massicka sold out now. We are talking about big numbers, thousands of people. You understand? If a man there Moby and him couldn't pull more than 200 people, bro. My God foreigner and pull them crowd there, brother. Because I keep on talking about numbers, but when man for pull up a party, most of Massicka show them when do. A show where don't have them fans already. Sans, BRT, Sunfest, all of them things they will come to see different artists. You understand? So when I go and like say, yo, Massicka pull some rare numbers of people and rare tete. Come on, brother. You get booked for umbrella thing and BRT and all of them something. The most time shows are just shows where people have them annual fans already. You understand? So my time, when I talk, bro, it make no sense. When I stop use hype and hotness and them thing there for prep up a man over a man we've been a do it for years, brother. You understand? I don't do it for years. Not true the man in the media back and forth and all of them little thing there. And the man a do him little thing. Is he gonna feel like say the man nah do things, bro? Cause and a boy if you full certain arenas, bro. You see me? I saw you know say yo, you have support out there, brother. Worse when you do it internationally. You understand? So my time, we now prep up MASICKA and this and that. Right now, MASICKA biggest song right now are the collab with Shensia. And not even a theme song, a Shensia song. So that not really in a catalog. It maybe get like listeners after that. Multi-listeners and them things, but you must get no followers after that, because most of that come from Shensia people him. You understand? Or would the label push him?
Subscribe now.
Or would the label put Shensia and all that, promote Shensia. You see me? So once them a promote hit and run, them a go promote MASICKA listeners them. You understand? Because listeners different from followers, bro. None of them artists where you see with millions of listeners. I don't really say because of them, brother. The artists were bigger than them, with them collab with, make them get so much listeners. You understand? But when them for pull a crowd or dominate certain way, not dead. You understand? I saw them get fool. You see what I try to say?
No, you know.
Which song I don't have biggest song then?
No, you know. I don't have one girl song that find out release that can't stop playing. No.
I know what can't stop play, but about the biggest song numbers wise. Remember say a numbers talk, you know. When I talk about when you are here at night time, you know.
I never check the numbers from that song they still know, but I know say the numbers from that song they huge, you know.
Yeah. And the closest song, the crossover for IDONIA. You know, say IDONIA still not find a mainstream hit it.
Because there's no way I'm going to look at myself and talk about, yo, MASICKA surpass, yo, I say, collab bigger than. No, brother, you can't do that. Nah, trick on yourself, this, bro. You understand? Nah, trick on yourself. You see me? I'm going to do a couple shows and rare. Make MASICKA pull up and see what make him do an arena, headline himself. Who want to see that? You understand? Make him do an arena, headline himself. You see it? Because our first man Missy signed to label. And nah dominate over something the real way. I'm not dominate over internationally. MASICKA nah do that, brother. You see what I'm trying to say? In a certain topics, the man not even bring up. The people not even bring up, bro. It show you say, yo, the leverage not really dead yet, bro. You understand? I just yard thing, hotness and all of them look something there, brother. You see me? A whites alone, me can say, alright, that a go on and thing, bro. But
subscribe now.
if you ask anybody in a dancehall right now, them are going to tell us, the man song them sound the same, bro. The man song easy if you get quit out, bro. Like, you see what I'm trying to say? Quit out. I just see my latest song when job people replay and, you see me, soon after that, by a couple months after, them forget about that, brother. Them not play that, bro. You see me? Because him sound the same, bro. You see me? Him not no girl song where you say, yo, Ray. You understand? If them say, yo, play this artist or some girl song, bro. You don't really have much girl song, brother. You see me? We're impactful. Where we make girl dash out and all that. You don't have nothing, brother. Look at 10 out of 10. Nothing after that not really did, brother. I don't want to dominate with that, and I don't have gangster song too. You understand? You can't size up MASICKA with I don't know because of views, bro. You understand? Because remember say man buy views, man a get pumped by label a pump views and all of them look something there, brother. You know, I don't want to do him thing independently, brother. You see me? That's the thing. Man a do him thing by himself, so it no matter about numbers, but the man sang them a dominate, bro. You see it? Because at the end of the day, I don't have been doing shows all over US and all of them look something there, and when I follow out him thing, get bookings and all of them look something there, brother. Right now I try with MASICKA right now. Right now label just I try with MASICKA, bro. You see, nothing not really connect and all. The man signed for much years and we can't hear a song where we say, yo, that song is big over there, brother. You understand? We can't hear nothing, brother. Nothing, we can't hear that. Soon after this, what, where label are going to drop him? Where them to sign him for a couple album? This right now, the man a ball right now, the man want to drop song and can't drop song, brother.
We think them a forward, you hear that? No, it got one side to the landslide, ain't no other, you hear that?
I man have to sort out the people them label and all of them because something this album, they have to sort out that, brother. That's why you say how long for the year start, MASICKA not really drop no solo song. You see me? I be a collab, in my drop. You see me? I'm mostly collab bill him thing, bro. And that's the thing, you know. I'm mostly collab bill MASICKA catalog. You understand? I'm mostly collab do that. We all see it. You see me?
20 years now business.
But they don't know one crossover song. MASICKA still not really find a crossover.
MASICKA finding with Shensia.
Bro,
No,
EXO collaboration.
No,
you know.
but I still demand them songs. Remember, say a collaboration build enough artists who can skill them. Some of the biggest songs them we are going for him now are collabs them.
Me feel like say though, bro. Like, fuck your numbers.
Mostly collab do that, so I don't know what the money I talk about, bro. If I not Shensia, you see me? You know all of them who collab with Masicka. Masicka supposed to collab with everybody that dancehall to but almost everybody man collab. Man don't really have nothing for himself, bro. He don't have nothing for himself, brother. You know here, man say they don't know maybe like between 40 to 50 million views. They don't know how much years ago, bro. I mean know say whites right now are play more than they don't know right now, brother. Some people not even remember they don't know, bro. And that a so-called him biggest song, so brother. We not talk no talk with logics, brother. We not
Subscribe
this
now.
Rasta youth if you tell him say yo bro, we are saying wrong, brother. Cause brother, I mean know you look like him and doing there so he carry some feelings. Cause we match at a beer shit, bro. You see me? Beer shit him a chat, brother. You see it? Can't save nothing, brother. When the year start, Masicka no drop nothing. Every time we come on social media, I talk about yo people look out for this. I stress the man stress out, dog. The man want drop song and can't drop nothing. He have mute song we say about mute and one bag or something. Half fight release or almost a quarter. Him come out and say, yo, wait. Nah, do nothing, brother. Damage controller going right now. You see me? Nothing now going for him. You see me? So, him not really depend on your level, bro. Cause when I see Masicka solo now, where we could have say, yo, Jano, I eat this, you know. I do him thing and rare. When I see none of that. A joke thing. You see me? But people, when they don't know, you know, you man a media facts, man, you don't know. That is it.